Here's a 200-piece set of heat shrink wire butt connectors from ICEtek. They include 3 different colors, 3 different sizes. The red inside gives you 22 down to 18 gauge wire. The blue connects 16 to 14 gauge wire, and the yellow connects 12 to 10 gauge wire. Let me open up the case for you. Okay, here's everything inside. The case snaps shut nice and securely, as you can see there, and you can even hang it on a peg if you'd like. And these are the connectors here. I'll just grab this one because it's handy. And they're wire butt connectors. You can see right through it. There's a metal connector inside that you crimp down. You can use a crimp tool. I generally like to just use a pair of pliers, and then you can use a heat gun on it, and that'll shrink this outer tubing here, which has adhesive in it, to give you a nice sealed connection. I just realized I do actually have a crimping tool for this. You see, this crimping tool is actually marked red, blue, and yellow, so it's kind of a standardized thing. Over here I have 2 wires that I've stuck in the connector, and we're going to go ahead and crimp that down. So we just stick it in here and crimp that, and crimp that. And now we can use a heat gun on this to heat shrink it. And there you are. So once again, this was the ICEtek waterproof 200-piece heat shrink butt connector set with all different sizes in there. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll provide a link in the video description where you can find it available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.